Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present the wonderful taste of tamales, my hot tamale balls. This recipe is inside out of a normal tamale, in so much as that the meat is on the outside and the masa is on the inside. While being a little different, this removes the need of any husk to hold the masa together, all while still delivering a traditional tamale flavor. Let's get started. We'll begin making our low-carb masa by adding 1 drained can of baby corn to a food processor. This is the kind you may see in some Chinese dishes. I was pleasantly surprised when I found that I can get real corn flavor and still be low-carb, as 1 whole can adds only 6 net carbs to the entire dish. Pulse scraping down the sides to ensure no large chunks are left. This may take 2 or 3 times, as some of the corn likes to sneak under the blade. Add the corn to a mixing bowl and season with some chili powder, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, ground black pepper, some salt, and some melted coconut oil. Mix together with your hands to blend together. Once all the spices and oil are blended, add some coconut flour and give another mix until fully combined. Cover and store in the refrigerator until we need it later. We'll make the tamale sauce by pouring some V8 in a sauce pot on medium-high heat. Add a little water, a granulated sugar substitute equal to 1/2 cup of regular sugar, some vinegar, chili powder, ground cinnamon, a little cayenne pepper, some red pepper flakes, salt, ground black pepper, and finally some xanthan gum. Give a mix with a whisk to combine all the dry spices into the liquid. Make sure that everything is well blended. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 2 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Turn off the heat and let cool a bit while we work on the meat for our tamales. Use a large mixing bowl and add some ground meat, some uncooked hot Italian sausage with the casings removed. Now use your hands and blend the beef and sausage together. Once fully blended, we'll add our spices: chili powder, cumin, cayenne pepper, salt, some minced garlic, almond flour, some ground pork rinds, and about 1/2 cup of our tamale sauce. Use your hands again and mix well until everything is incorporated. Remove the masa from the refrigerator. Grab a bit of meat mixture and flatten into a circular shape in the palm of your hand. Try and make it as uniformly flat as you can. Add some of the masa to the top and flatten as well, but don't bring it to the edges. You want to leave a little room, as you see here. Gently bring up the edges and form a ball. Pinch together around the opening to fully close. Place in a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Repeat until all the meat is used. These can also be made smaller if you want more of a cocktail-sized tamale ball. Pour the remainder of the tamale sauce over the tamale balls. Cover with foil and bake in a preheated 325-degree oven for 1 hour or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. The time will vary with the size of the tamale balls. These took about an hour. Baste before serving and enjoy the wonderful taste of Mexican tamales without all the carbs. Delicious. There you have it, folks. My low-carb hot tamale ball recipe. Now you can have the great taste of tamales without the worry of all the carbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.